In this video, I want to show you how you can create a language shop for your main shop. With language shops, you can create different language variants of your main shop. These can be accessed over a language drop-down in the storefront, or by typing a virtual URL like www.a.code.uk/en. So let's create a language shop together. For this, go into your sales channel. Under domains, you can create multiple domains for your sales channel, each with its own virtual URL, language, currency, and snippet set. In this way, you can create a language shop. So if we now add a domain, we can here enter our virtual URL. We can select our language. We can select our currency and our snippet set. For our example, I've already created a new domain. So let's have a look at it. Here, I've just copied our main domain and added a /de at the end. Here, I've selected the language Deutsch, the currency Euro, and the snippet set base DE. After that, click on Save. And keep in mind that you have to select your languages up here as well in the general settings. And you have to save your sales channel after that. We're nearly done with the settings in the administration. One more thing we have to do. Go to your products and open, for example, the first product. Up here, you've got the possibility to switch your languages. So we select Deutsch. And you can see that the title of the product is grayed out here. This is just as long as we set a new title for it. Because this is our second language for our language shop, we can give our product, for example, a new name. And then click on Save. This means if you select the language Deutsch in the storefront, this title is being displayed over the product. And if you select the language shop English, your normal title will be displayed. So now let's have a look how everything is displayed in the storefront. I've already opened our product, our beer party pack. And you can see everything still is in English because we are still in our normal English shop. And up here, we've now got the possibility to switch the languages. So if we click on Deutsch, everything automatically switches into German. This is what you can see. This is our snippet set. All our buttons and our snippets are being displayed in German instead of English. And what we can also see is that the title is our not new German title now. So everything what we add in our administration in the Deutsch version is being displayed when our customers swap to the Deutsch or German shop, language shop. Of course, there's also the option of adding other languages and then translating categories, products, shopping experiences, and so on. In our Shopware store, you can search for various language packages and download them free of charge.